Hi everyone! We're back with another Thanksgiving recipe, this time for pumpkin pie. The ingredients you'll need are 3/4 cups of sugar, half a teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, half a teaspoon of ground ginger, 1/4 teaspoon of ground cloves, 2 eggs, 1 15-ounce can of pumpkin puree, 1 12-ounce can of evaporated milk, and 1 unbaked 9-inch deep dish pie shell. So the first thing you want to do is combine all your dry ingredients in a bowl. That includes your sugar, salt, cinnamon, ginger, and cloves. Now you can set your sugar mixture aside and start to lightly beat your eggs. Once you have finished beating your eggs, you can start to mix in your pumpkin puree and sugar mixture. Next, start to gradually add in your evaporated milk. Remember to preheat your oven to about 425 degrees for about 15 minutes. Then lower the temperature to 350 degrees to bake for about 40 to 50 minutes. And there you have it, your very own homemade Thanksgiving pumpkin pie. Please leave a comment down below, like, share, and don't forget to subscribe.